Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम. दिस इज आशिमा और इस वीडियो के अंदर वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज अवेलेबल इन इंडिया. यानी इंडिया के अंदर कितनी तरीके की इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज होती हैं. तो जनरली हम लोगों ने देखा है दो तरीके की पॉलिसीज है. जनरली वी हैव टू डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पॉलिसीज इन इंडिया. So if we divide them, an overview if we take or an umbrella view if we take, there are two general policies. Now, what are those two which we categorize them into? One is a general insurance. One is general insurance, and the other category is life insurance. Right. So if the video, so on and so forth, when we'll be going ahead, we'll be talking about that in two parts. One is a general insurance, one is a life insurance. तो अब इन दोनों इंश्योरेंस टाइप्स में डिफरेंस क्या है? व्हाट आर दी फैसिलिटीज दैट आर देयर एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंश्योरेंस कम्स अंडर ईच. कौन कौन सा किस किस के अंदर आता है? we'll be having a look at all of that, but before we begin on that, all of you do subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and download Entry app फॉर वेरियस टॉपिक ओरिएंटेड वीडियोज. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी आपको वीडियोज मिलेंगी, टॉपिक ओरिएंटेड वीडियोज, इनके थ्रू यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड सर्टेन टॉपिक्स, क्लैरिफाई सर्टेन टॉपिक्स. फ्री लाइव क्विज अवेलेबल है ऑन एंट्री ऐप एंड मॉक्स भी अवेलेबल है करंटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ऑन एंट्री ऐप. Right, so do download the app and now let's begin the discussion. So starting with first of all insurance types. तो एक type which we will be taking is general life insurance, which is a life insurance, and the second type covers all of them. So health insurance, disability insurance, auto insurance, home insurance, life insurance, all of these are categorized into general insurance. Right, तो हम लोग जो पढ़ने वाले हैं ये जो सारे टाइप्स हैं, हेल्थ, डिसेबिलिटी, ऑटो, होम, ट्रैवल, ये सब आते हैं जनरल इंश्योरेंस के अंदर. और लाइफ इंश्योरेंस के अंदर हम लोग थोड़ा सा अलग से पढ़ेंगे बिकॉज देयर आर सर्टेन various types of life insurance that we'll be having a look at. Right, तो शुरुआत करते हैं जनरल इंश्योरेंस से. we'll be beginning with general insurance, in which the first one which we are going to cover is health insurance. Now, in general insurance and health insurance, it is that insurance policy that covers the expenses that are incurred in मेडिकल केयर. मेडिकल केयर में या हॉस्पिटल बिल्स जिसे हम कह सकते हैं, हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन में जो भी हमारा बिल आया है उसके एक्सपेंसेस को कवर करने के लिए वी हैव अ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस. सो व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आर कवर्ड अंडर दिस? हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन, critical illness if any, medical bills after the hospitalization, daycare procedure, everything is covered, but it completely varies from insurance to insurance what of them is going to be covered. तो इतने सारों में से क्या चीज कवर होगी ये चीज डिपेंड करता है कि हमने कौन सा इंश्योरेंस परचेज किया है. राइट, सो विच एवर इंश्योरेंस यू परचेज, similar facilities are going to be availed. Now, in health insurance, what are the various types? First can be individual health insurance, which someone takes for a particular person. अपने आप के लिए लिया है या एक ही इंडिविजुअल ने लिया है, that is individual health insurance. Then we have family floater insurance. In family floater, we have entire family covered, entire family, that being husband, wife, and two children are most of it covered in the family floater insurance. So the first family is covered. Then critical illness cover, specialized type of health insurance which covers coverage against various life-threatening diseases. So critical care illness, जैसा नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, ये वो इंश्योरेंस कवरेज देता है जो मेजर या लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग डिजीजेस के थ्रू होगा, यानी हार्ट अटैक, स्ट्रोक, कैंसर, किडनी फेलियर और एनी सच डायग्नोसिस विच इज अ लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग सिचुएशन. राइट, नाउ आफ्टर अ डायग्नोसिस, एक बार पता चल जाता है, once a diagnosis is done on the particular health, or you can say health issue, that we can say a lump sum amount of diagnosis on the diagnosis is given in this insurance. Then we have senior citizen health insurance. As the name suggests, all individuals above 60 years of age. Then group health insurance, which is offered by an employer to its employee. Employer अपनी employee को जो insurance देता है, that is group health insurance. Then maternity health insurance. It covers the medical expenses of prenatal, postnatal and delivery stage. So all the three stages are covered in maternity health insurance, providing coverage to both mother and the newborn. So it is not just only mother, सिर्फ माँ के लिए नहीं है, बच्चे के लिए भी इसके अंदर coverage होता है. Then personal accident insurance, which covers the financial liabilities due to accidental injuries and the subsequent disability that might happen, or the death that might happen. Now in personal accident insurance, if you are following up current affairs follow कर रहे हैं, तो IRDAI ने एक अपना खुद का personal insurance भी start किया है, which is going to be compulsory. IRDAI, which is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, it has started its own personal accident insurance. So in the comment section, name this insurance, right? This is a all over India common insurance. So all the insurance companies will have to compulsorily bring this insurance into picture, right? So name that insurance in the comment section below. We'll be moving ahead. Now next is motor insurance. Motor insurance covers all your vehicles, as we can say. So financial assistance in case of bike or car, if that is involved in an accident, that is covered in motor insurance. So one can be a car insurance for the four wheelers, and in that also we have multiple types. Then bike insurance can be there, and then commercial vehicle insurance. What is commercial vehicle insurance? It covers any vehicle used for any commercial purpose, right? Then we have home insurance, which provides coverage against any natural or human made calamity. So that can be fire, earthquake, robbery, whatever happens. And in this, there can be multiple types again, like from home structure or building insurance, public liability, personal accident, burglary, contents insurance, standard fire and perils. So any situation that happens at home, that can be covered. Then we have also landlords and tenants insurance, that is there, the protection as a tenant for your personal property and in any rented house, and landlords for their loss of rent situation that might happen, right? Then furthermore, we have fire insurance in case fire is there. Then we have a fire insurance, and that also can be various types like floating, consequential, replacement, comprehensive. तो बहुत सारे तरीके की फायर इंश्योरेंस भी हो सकती है, right? So बहुत सारे ऐसे इंश्योरेंस अवेलेबल हैं which can protect from various situations to us. Then we have travel insurance to take care of any issues that might happen while traveling. जब आप travel कर रहे हैं उस दौरान कुछ गलत ना हो जाए आप लोगों के साथ, जैसे कि पासपोर्ट लॉस और फ्लाइट कैंसिलेशन और लॉस ऑफ बैगेज, एनीथिंग, एनी मेडिकल इमरजेंसी ड्यूरिंग योर ट्रैवल टाइम, all of that, those are covered under the travel insurance, right? So under this, now what happens, one is domestic travel insurance, when you're traveling within the country, देश में ही travel कर रहे हो कहीं किसी दूसरे राज्य में या whatever, that can be domestic travel insurance. Then individual travel insurance is there, which provides for alone travel. Like you say ना कि मम्मा को जाके बोलते हैं कि I want to travel alone, I want to explore myself. So for them we have individual travel insurance. Then after domestic we have international also. Similarly we have international travel insurance also. Student travel insurance is also available if you are going abroad for studies. This is not that you are a student and you are traveling then you get travel insurance. No, student who is going to study abroad, for them we have student travel insurance. Then senior citizen travel insurance and family travel insurance is also available, right? Then we come to life insurance. Now in life insurance, now in these insurance coverages, they are against any unfortunate event like either death or a disability that might happen to the policy holder. Policy holder को या तो उसकी death हो जाए या कोई disability ऐसी हो जाती है जिसकी वजह से lot of things are affected in life, employability is affected and something of that sort, then life insurance comes into picture, right? So various types of life insurance policies are there which will allow to maximize the savings, right? It can be in various forms, as you can see. So if we have a look at what are the different types of life insurance, we have term life insurance, which is also known as the traditional life insurance, the purest and the most affordable life insurance. सबसे affordable होता है term insurance. Then whole life insurance, endowment policy, money back policy, ULIP or unit linked insurance plans, children's policy, retirement plans, various insurance policies can be there. But what exactly is there in these? In सब में difference क्या है या what do these insurance policies bring into picture? So let's have a look. First is term insurance, which provides life cover for a specific and limited time. Now, when we say term insurance, that has a particular time limit. But what is the time limit? Normally, maturity age एक set की जाती है इसके अंदर, and in that duration or within that duration, you that insurance cover is provided to you. Furthermore, option is given that you can either pay out whenever you want, जब चाहिए तो पैसे वापस निकाल सकते हैं. You choose to withdraw out of it, that option is also available, right? Then we have ULIPs or provide life cover and investment options. So ULIP is one of those ones which will provide you life insurance also in form of investment. Investment भी है आपका और साथ ही साथ insurance benefit भी देगा एक ही contract में. So this is a kind which which is allocated to a variety of market linked equity and debt instruments as well. So premium जो होगा that is towards providing the life cover throughout the policy tenure. जब तक policy है तब तक के लिए life cover is also going to be there, and allocation of premium into various instruments and market risk appetite or financial requirement. Wherever you want, you can choose to put that premium into picture as to wherever you want. Then is endowment policy, which provides life cover and a lump sum payout at maturity. Right. So whenever the maturity of the insurance cover happens, at that time, this withdrawal can be done, and that is via endowment. Then whole life policy, it is the lifetime coverage of the policy holder. So this is the traditional life insurance. Now this one is the traditional form of life insurance, and in this what is given is 100 years is the age of it, right? So this policy cover has 100 years. Now what in rarest of the rare situation that the पॉलिसी होल्डर लिव्स बियॉन्ड दैट 100 साल से ज्यादा अगर जिंदा रह गया तो क्या होगा? इन दैट केस द मेच्योर्ड एंडाउमेंट इज गोइंग टू बी क्रिएटेड, एंड वो एंडाउमेंट के फॉर्म में आपके पास पैसे दिया जाएगा, राइट? सो एज ए जस्ट लाइक एंडाउमेंट पॉलिसी हो गई थी, तो यानी अब ये एंडाउमेंट पॉलिसी बन जाएगा, राइट? Then we have annuity or pension policy, which provides a regular income during the retirement year. So after the retirement happens, if you want that certain amount should be given to you every month so that you can bear your expenses also. So for that part, it is a pension plan which is working just like a pension would do. जैसे pension आती होगी हर महीने, उसी तरीके से pension मिलेगी, लेकिन this is something which you have filed for on your own. So you accumulated your savings and the company is going to give it to you in parts, right? Then we have a money back policy, provides a survival benefit or a death benefit and can serve as a income replacement, right? So this can be an income replacement. Now after this we also had a child plans. Now there are certain child plans also available which will help you secure child's life goals, like for higher education you want to save for their marriage, or if you do not survive or you die early, then in that case, तो सभी सिचुएशन में अपने बच्चे के लिए अगर आप करते हैं, चाहे उसके आगे की पढ़ाई के लिए हो, शादी के लिए हो, या आप अगर मर जाते हैं, आपको कुछ हो जाता है, तो उस केस में आपके बच्चे के पास पैसा हो, उन सब चीजों के लिए अपनी फाइनेंशियल रिक्वायरमेंट आपके बच्चे की पूरी हो, उसके लिए वी हैव child plans life insurance also available, right? So here we have covered lots of life insurance policies in an overview and general insurance policies in an overview. So for more such videos and topic oriented videos, you can download Entry app, and you can also subscribe to this channel for daily updates. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, goodbye, do like the video and share the video and subscribe to the channel.